Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on basic graphs in statistics. The area of statistics deals with data, surveys, and graphs of various forms. The data is usually organised so that it becomes meaningful information. Ideally, useful conclusions can be drawn from this process. Let's have a look at a simple example. The following table shows how many pairs of shoes were sold in a shop over 3 days. So the 3 days were Friday, Saturday and Sunday. On Friday, 5 pairs were sold. On Saturday, 20 pairs were sold. And on Sunday, 25 pairs were sold. These are called tally marks, and we've seen them before, where each time something happens you put a stroke and then you put another stroke, and after you put 4 strokes, on the 5th occasion you put a line through there, and that gives you a bundle of 5, so that when you do the counting at the end it's a lot easier. For example, if we take Saturday, we go 5, 10, 15, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 for Sunday. So that's how tally marks are used, and the bundles of 5 makes it very convenient when you're doing your counting at the end. The information in the table can be shown using the following graphs. So in the following sections I've got a number of graphs that we can use to show this particular information. The first graph, which is very basic indeed, is called a pictograph. Now, the beauty of a pictograph is that it's very visual, normally very colourful, and it just gives you a quick snapshot of what's happening. For example, on Friday, I have this one shoe here. Note that one shoe equals 5 pairs. So the beauty of the pictograph, you can quickly see what's happening. So there's 5, there's your 20, and there's your 25. It's easy, it's in a picture form, it's very colourful and quite attractive. It doesn't give you much more information than that, but it just gives you a rough idea when you compare the 3 days what's actually happening. Even from this graph here, we can make a certain observation. It is easy to observe that Saturday and Sunday were very popular buying days because most people do not work on weekends and can visit the shops. So assuming Friday is a normal working day for most people, that could be a reason why not many shoes were sold. And you can see there's a significant increase in the sales on Saturday and Sunday, possibly because it's a weekend where people don't usually work. The next very popular graph we can use is called a column graph, which normally consists of 2 axes, a horizontal and a vertical. Normally the vertical axis has the numbers and the horizontal axis has the different categories. So you can see again quite quickly the trend. Not too much on Friday, a lot more on Saturday and Sunday. And the vertical axis here just goes up in lots of 5. We also have a divided bar graph. Again, there's not a lot of information in a divided bar graph. It's colourful and it just gives you a quick visual representation where it's easy to compare what's happening among all the categories. Again, quite easy to see that not much happened on Friday, a lot more activity and a lot more results on Saturday, Sunday. The pie graph is also a very good visual representation of data and information, and a similar picture emerges. A pie graph is normally a circle, and then you have these areas in the form of sectors. And again, you can see that Saturday and Sunday are very large areas. Friday, not much is happening. So this video has introduced a number of very basic graphs that can be used to represent data and information. And normally the graphs we use, or the ones we've seen in this video, are very simple, they're very visual, and they give you a pretty good idea of what's happening with each of the categories.